Hello everybody and welcome back to a brand new video where today we're going to be taking a look at the highly anticipated Focal Azurys close back headphones. The reason for the anticipation of course is with Focal having such an esteemed history in the headphone market. Models such as the Utopia, Clear MGs and more recently the Bethese headphones have always gone incredibly well, been received really well on the market, and hopefully the Azurys will be able to live up to that same level. The Azurys coming in at £499 are actually Focal's cheapest headphone on the market currently. A close-back model, as previously mentioned, but they have been released in conjunction with the Hadenese, not quite sure how you pronounce that, but they're an open-back model that's released at the same time. Again, at $499, these are the cheapest headphones that Focal offer at the moment. Again, the previous models have been super popular, and if you look at the Azurys and compare them with the Bethese headphones that came out last year, the Bethese are an active model of headphones, so no amplifier required. You can just put those straight on your head, connect to the phone or device, and you're away. The Azurys are a passive model, so you're going to need something to drive them, but you can see just from looking at them, they have borrowed a lot from the Bethese in terms of design. They've got that kind of honeycomb-esque shell around them, super lightweight, and you can tell that these are something that are designed similar to the Bethese to be used on the go. So if you do decide to pick up the Azurys, what exactly is included when you pick the headphones up? So as you can see, they come in the box that again super similar to the Bethese. Inside there you've got the headphones themselves, you've got a really stylish carry case. I mean, as we've already said at the start of this video, these are clearly a headphone that is marketed towards using them on the go. So again, this is perfect just for slipping it in your backpack, whatever it may be, in your day-to-day. You could easily put these in a bag, not taking up too much room. And you also get obviously the standard cable. Also worth noting, when I say standard cable, it's a regular jack cable, 3.5mm on the output end. You don't actually get an adapter, so if you did want to use this with an amplifier, most of the time you're going to need a 6.35mm jack to make that work. You can see next to me, we've actually got them, I've been listening to them, I should say, on the Unity Atom headphone edition. We happen to have a couple of these adapters lying around. I mean, they're not difficult to get, but it does seem a bit of a shame that they couldn't throw one of those in there, because for a lot of people I know, it's going to be something they're going to need when they're using the headphones. But again, I guess if you are using these with just a little portable player, 3.5mm will be absolutely fine. And again, they're not particularly difficult to get hold of, just something worth considering really. You're probably thinking at this point, has he changed shirt? Yes, unfortunately is the answer. I've just come to edit the video, and unfortunately the second part of the video which we recorded yesterday had slightly corrupted the one file, so just having to re-record the last portion of the video. So sorry to break any immersion there, or the fourth wall so to speak, but just really again wanted to close by saying that how fantastic these Azurys headphones are. I mean, it's very clear that Focal's attempt was deliberate in wanting these to be an on-the-go headphone. I think the fact that they don't come with that 6.35mm adapter says a lot. I mean, I've been listening to them on the Unity Atom, as I've already mentioned, but they're clearly designed as more of an on-the-go headphone, and I think they've absolutely smashed it out the park, to be completely honest with you. They are comfortable. You could certainly wear these for long periods of time without having any issues for fatigue, any issues or concerns with fatigue, in my opinion. And they sound fantastic. I mean, Focal, as I've already touched upon in the video, have got this real beautiful, natural, accurate sound that they strive for, and I think these Azurys do a great job of replicating that at the $499 price point that they're at. So incredibly impressed. And if you've managed to get your hands on these, I'd love to know what your experience was like as well. I think for those people that are looking for an audiophile headphone that you can also use on the go, the Azurys are definitely a real strong option, and that's something that Focal have clearly aimed for with the design. Again, the non-inclusion of the 6.35mm jack really shows that this is something that's designed to be taken out and about and not necessarily hooked up to a desktop system or a headphone amplifier or something like that. Despite the fact that's how we've listened to them, I think they're going to be something that more often than not people are going to use out and about on the go. Again, office environments, commuters, not quite a gym headphone I wouldn't say, but certainly something you can use on the go and have no issues with fatiguing, as we've mentioned. Again, if you have had a chance to get your hands on the Azurys headphones, would love to hear your thoughts and opinions on them down in the comment section down below. Let us know what you were pairing them with and your experiences with the headphones. And once again, thank you for tuning into the video. We'll catch you all in next week's. See you then.